Setting up Windows 10 computer. Must-knows and do's for all new users. Let's see what is in the course. Basics of Windows 10 and computer terminology. Getting familiar with Windows 10's pre-installed apps. Opting for open source softwares. Accomplishing day-to-day tasks with LibreOffice. And there are some bonus lectures especially for you. Aim of the course. It is designed for users who are new to computer systems and Windows 10. Course aims to increase productivity of the new user by getting them familiar with Windows 10's feature. It will also raise interest in computer systems so that you keep on learning. Basics of Windows 10 and computer terminology. Here we will learn setting up Windows 10, how computer works, what is hardware and software by the way. We will be getting familiar with Windows 10's pre-installed apps like File Explorer, Photos, Edge, Settings, Paint 3D, Your Phone, and Video Editor. Opting for open source softwares. We will see what is open source software, which software to download and from where. Accomplishing day-to-day tasks with LibreOffice. From simple to complex documents with Writer, create impressive presentations with Impress, making first-class spreadsheets with Calc. Oh, so let's see what is in the box. Bonus lectures. Keyboard shortcuts, touchpad gestures, speeding up your typing speed. Learning objectives achieved by this course are to familiarize the new user with computer systems, to understand the features of Windows 10, to know about open source software, to create documents, presentations, and spreadsheets, to learn keyboard shortcuts and gestures. So what are you waiting for? Join today.